là thầy Võ Hồng Khanh là chủ tịch hội đồng, thứ hai là thầy Trần Ngọc Hoàng là thư ký của hội đồng, thứ ba là thầy Phạm Tiến Phúc là ủy viên kiêm phản biện của hội đồng. Hội đồng được phân công đánh giá đề tài như sau. Tên đề tài là Building an Online Polyclinic Management Application, tức là xây dựng ứng dụng quản lý phòng khám đa khoa trực tuyến. Giáo viên hướng dẫn là thầy Lương Hoàng Hướng. Nhóm sinh viên bao gồm 5 bạn. Thứ nhất là Đặng Minh Cảnh, thứ hai là Nguyễn Hoàng Khang, thứ ba là Lê Nhật Quỳnh, thứ tư là Hà Phước Sang và thứ năm là Lê Vũ Thắng. Để buổi bảo vệ diễn ra thuận lợi và đạt kết quả tốt nhất thì các nhóm cần lưu ý các vấn đề sau. Thứ nhất là trang phục của nhóm đúng yêu cầu. Nếu không đúng thì hội đồng có quyền từ chối không cho bảo vệ lần này. Thì hiện trạng thì là trang phục ổn. Các nhóm có mặt trước giờ bảo vệ ít nhất là 15 phút để chuẩn bị. Thời gian trình bày của mỗi nhóm là 45 phút. Trong đó mỗi cá nhân đều bắt buộc phải có phần trình bày liên quan tới phần việc mình phụ trách. Cá nhân nào không trình bày thì phần điểm quyết định của cá nhân sẽ không có điểm. Thời gian demo sản phẩm là 20 phút. Thời gian phản biện là 20 phút. Hội đồng sẽ hỏi câu hỏi và các cá nhân trả lời. Hội đồng có thể hỏi chung để sinh viên giành quyền trả lời, hoặc là hỏi chỉ định từng cá nhân. Cá nhân được hỏi thì bắt buộc phải trả lời. Nếu cá nhân không trả lời được thì cá nhân sẽ không có điểm phản biện. Khi không nghe rõ câu hỏi, sinh viên có thể yêu cầu hội đồng hỏi lại để họ hiểu rõ câu hỏi trước khi trả lời. Chúng ta sẽ vấn đáp bằng tiếng Anh. Nếu nhóm yêu cầu vấn đáp bằng tiếng Việt thì cái điểm của chúng ta sẽ không có cao bằng tiếng Anh nha. Các nhóm bảo vệ xong sẽ được chủ tịch hội đồng nhận xét ngắn gọn về đề tài, về buổi bảo vệ, và lưu ý là hội đồng sẽ không có công bố điểm vào hôm nay. Rồi, thay mặt cho hội đồng chúc các em bình tĩnh, tự tin và bảo vệ thành công khóa luận tốt nghiệp của mình. Rồi, chúng ta bắt đầu nha.
Dear teachers and students who attended to the presentation today, I'm very blessed to stand in front of you to present about the topic of the final project that our team has chosen to implement in the past town. The topic that our team has chosen to work on is called Building an Online Blindness Management Application. During the implementation of the project, we have faced many challenges and difficulties. However, thanks to the support and guidance from the teachers, we overcome the difficulty and finish the final thesis in the best way possible. I'm pleased to introduce our team, led by Mr. Hu as our supervisor, and Mr. Gantz as our leader, and myself, Wood, and Mr. Chen, Mr. K, and Mr. Thang. Our representation today consists of 12 parts, which are introduction, related research, robust method, architecture and machine learning model, experiment and evaluation, system features, achieve result, work breakdown structure and team structure, diagram, test, demo, and Q&A. Let's move on to the first part of the presentation. Introduction. I will briefly introduce about the whole project. As everyone knows, patients do face inconvenience in traditional healthcare service, but they have to go directly to the place to take the order number and wait for their turn to perform medical examination and treatment. That's very time consuming, and they're also difficult in assessing and exchanging official health information. And the client is also finding difficulty to manage appointment and schedule in traditional way. And recently, people are recently concerned about the outbreak of disease around the world. Let's take for example, monkeypox. By July 2022, the US had 2,821 monkeypox cases, while globally there were 71,227 cases. Which is worrying why traditional method for detection and diagnosing monkeypox is very time consuming and expensive. And besides, patients are still limited in treatment due to high demand and overload. And here is the photo of the chart about monkeypox from the outbreak to October 2022. Then, through the above problem, our team came up with a solution to build an online-only language management application. We can make it easier for patients to access medical service and also make it easier for the clients to manage appointment and schedule. And we also build a plan to connect the community and improve the health knowledge. We also apply artificial intelligence in the diagnostic of the box. The next part is related research. I will introduce some research related to the project. About related work, we have a little reference from some article here. As you can see, all of them using CNN architecture and the language result of ACC is 96%. Similarly, also, all of them also use CNN architecture and the language ACC is 96%. The next, about ancestry system, due to the limited time, we only list the remaining three systems. The first system is DocGo-SAN, with the features a booking system, online chat, Q&A with doctor, home examination, and treatment service, online medical examination. The next one is e-doctor with booking system, online chat, forum system, web and mobile app, biomedicine online. And the last one is Metro with booking system, online chat, web and mobile app, online payment. About the part 3, global method, I will talk about the method to solve the problem related to the project. About the technology applied, as you can see in the bio design, we use Next.js framework to create user interface, and in server side, we use many other technologies such as Docker to deploy and develop application quickly and efficiently. We also use microservice architecture, and in identity service, we use .NET framework with API server database, and between service, we use gRPC to communicate with each other, and some service also the same with the above service, but it use Mongo database such as foreign service and block service. Only AI service using Python plus API framework. Besides, we also using Google Mail service to send email. We also using RabbitMQ to manage message queue between service, and Amazon Web Service App3 to store image, and Redis to manage cache, and API Gateway is an API management tool located between client and a group of backend service. About the process of implementing the machine learning model, as you can see, the process of implementing machine learning models has 6 steps. About the first step is collecting data set, and the next step is updating data augmentation on the training set. Step 3 will extract feature with deep learning model, and in step 4 will use the extracted feature for training with the machine learning model. And step 5 will calculate the matches. The last step will solve the result. Next, to continue the presentation, Dr. Ken will present about the architecture and machine learning model. Dr. Ken, please.
Thank you, Mr. Win. My name is Ken. The next part I would like to present architecture and machine learning model. This session will take system architecture and machine learning model. As you can see here, the context diagram of Elastic system. This is Elastic system, and the line entering the system being the information flow from after to Elastic system, and the line being flowing from Elastic system to after being the information flow from Elastic system to after. The Elastic system has Citron, Red, patient, doctor, supporter, admin, and machine learning expert. Get can access the information such as blog, post, or forum question. Patient can book appointment, view log information, ask a question, and get research from doctor on the system forum page. They can also ask for supporter when they have problem using the system. Doctors are professionals who care for patients. They can provide answer formation question, view schedule for conducting an offline or online medical examination via video call. They can also use AI to help diagnose. Next, supporter is a person who help and answer to handle the problem that patient encounter when using the system. They are responsible for moderating forum question. They can create logbox that patient can view. And admin is a system administrator. They manage on service available on the system and monitor system operation. And final, machine learning expert to use system to develop and deploy machine learning model that can be used by doctor to help diagnose. Next. This is the global architecture from multi-prop classification. The system we use deep learning model to extract feature from the image skin lesion, and the extract feature then used by a machine learning model to classify lesion into one from category multi-prop, chicken prop, visual or normal. The next part, I will talk about experiment and evaluation. This section will read performance, experiment and machine learning model evaluation. First, I will talk about dataset. The dataset we use to our training model. We were taken from RDS on 2022. This study generate a dataset of 4 sets of image with 4 type reprocessed skin image. The dataset contains 264 multi-prop image, 100 chicken prop image, 80 visual image, and 215 normal image. And then we use argument image to generate image to argument, resulting in a total 2,900 skin image. Basically over 1,200 image at time. Here is a sample disease type of dataset: normal, visual, chicken rock, and monkey rock. We evaluated our system at 2 scenarios. The first scenario, we use deep learning model to classify a forest, and the second scenario, we use deep learning model combined with machine learning model to classify lesion. That's it, we use deep learning model to extract feature and use the result combined with machine learning model to perform training. Here is a research track for scenario 1. Here we use 3 models: ResNet 50, MobileNet, P-Resisting to classify and get the result. And you can see the accuracy of ResNet 50 is 72%, MobileNet is 93%, and P-Resisting is 50%. And next, this is the research track of scenario 2. We use deep learning model combined with machine learning model to classify lesion and get a result. And you can see here some typical like MobileNet combined with logistic regression had a result 97%, and P-Resisting combined with logistic regression had accuracy is 93%. Next, this is the 3 of our study. It has been accepted for public information in the International Journal of Advanced Computer Science and Application. The next part, I would like to invite Mr. Sang to present the system future. Thank you.
Okay, and my name is Sang, and I'm responsible for the system features. I will discuss all vision features in our system. So, the first, I want to talk about the authentication and authorization. So, our system provides the user to can user gets administrator, expert, supporter. So our system also have the forum management. Forum management is a function like social communication, and user can ask the question to the doctor, and doctor can answer this question for user. So before the question posted to the platform, supporter will review this question and approve it. So also other user can discuss in this question about like a comment or reply this comment. So the next I want to talk about block management. Block management is a feature that our system will provide updated information about health. So supporter is responsible for the feature can update create the block. So the user can upgrade their knowledge about health. The next, I want to talk about profile management. Profile management is a function allowing user can create multiple profile in their family. They don't need to create a multiple account for their family to access the system. So the next, I want to talk about account management. Account management is a function that very popular in the world, right? So our system, admin is responsible for this feature. Admin can also create a new account for the new employee when they want to access to our system. And also, admin can lock it any user if they have sensitive behavior. So the next, I want to talk about service bucket management. Service bucket management contains a list of service health check. So user can book this service bucket and go to the client to take up. And the next, I want to discuss first the doctor scheduling management. So user supporter is responsible for this feature that supporter will create the schedule for specific doctor. So also user can book the schedule, booking a doctor based on schedule. So doctor will receive the booking from the user on the calendar. And then next, I want to talk about appointment management. Appointment management is a more function in our system. User can keep track their appointment, like upcoming, done, or cancel. So user cancel appointment. And the next, I want to talk about payment management. Payment management, our system integrates service outside to payment. We provide two methods of payment, that is mobile and VNPay. So when a user booking service bucket or doctor, they can also use this feature to payment. The next, I want to talk about the conversation. Conversation is a feature that allows the user interact with the doctor or supporter, like user can call, video, or chat with a supporter. And this is very useful function that when in the COVID-19 situation, they don't need to go to the clinic, they just stay home and make an appointment with the doctor. And the next, I want to talk about mail notification. Mail notification that a user can receive their code verification when you change the password or create a new account. And also, if they have a new employee in our system, user as administrator will create the new account for this specific employee, and they are receive this account from the mail. And the next, our system is contained artificial intelligence. So the first I will talk about model management. Model management in our system that expert will gonna upload the model file to our system when it's training successful, and after that export into the appropriate model for our system and enable this for the user for the doctor can use it. And after that, I want to talk about the predicting management. Predicting management is a feature that expert and doctor can predicting the digital imaging scheme and they can so include the monkeypox, chickenpox, measles, unknown, and normal condition. So after predicting, expert will be receive this result and expert will into the appropriate model for our system to predicting the image to diagnose the disease scheme. So the next part, I would like to invite Mr. Thắng to talk about achieve result.
Thank you, Mr. Sang. My name is Thắng. Now I would like to present about a two reasons that reflect how a two doctor conducting the captain project. The first is I would like to talk about the doctor two about the product. Our team has succeeded in building the web application system for polyclinic management. It simplify appointment booking online or in person at the clinic. Help time for both patient and doctor. In addition, the clinic system help people to easily access medical service, improve medical knowledge and awareness about disaster globally, contributing to improving the health of the entire population. This is a logo of the United System. About the human, we have learned analyze requirement, design and new system. Besides, we have plan, perform and review according to room framework. We also divided task and work as a team. Although we have many limitations, but we connect the project and some new knowledge. We have research, analyze and selected information to improve our understanding. And then I would like to talk about limitation and difficult the team encounter in process of implementing the project. The first is project coverage. When we come up with idea for e-learning, we have lot of features, but due to the limited time, we not stop and load it into limitation. Among them, the team did not do automatically update upon the appointment status feature. And during time on the working on project, we have many challenges. Up with the wicked difficult was communication issue. Some part the team member has don't understand really to follow and have to do it again. The next, I would like to talk about future development. The first feature we want to develop is automatically update the appointment status when the real-time message appointment time. Next feature we want to develop a notification. The feature currently e-learning system can only receive notification via email, and we want to develop medical record feature if possible. And the last feature we want to develop is repackage e-learning with different domain and database so that customer can try it out and buy it later if it suits their requirement. And next, I would like to present about work breakdown structure and projecting structure. The first is work breakdown structure. This table contains the previous item, complexity and mandate for complexity. The first is machine learning network. It takes 27 mandates to complete. Next is authentication, takes 7 mandates to complete. And other previous item similar to. And total estimate effort take 361 mandates to complete the project. The next is projecting structure. As you can see in the picture, we have project manager in Mr. Cảnh and for system analysis, design, development, QA and testing. Testing has a leader and member also in the picture. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Cảnh to present about data.
Thank you, Thắng, for inviting me to continue to present about the diagram. So let's have a look some diagrams we have in there. The first one is UK diagram of chat actor who can register in our application to become a patient, a user, or they can fill information such as pivot pictures, doctor, boss, and blog. And we have the stem line here to say that if a user fill the information and they want to search, they can search, and if they don't want, they can scroll it and fill what they want. The second one is UK diagram of patient actor who inherits from chat actor, so they have the same picture with chat actor and they can create bots if they have any question for doctor, or they can command bots what they see that they interested in, or they can book certain package, booking doctor for medical checkups, and they also can manage their own profile, like they can create more profile for their family. And the third one is doctor actor who can fill vending box, and if they see that's the bot that they can answer to, they will answer this bot to provide more information for patients. And they can manage their own appointment to, like they schedule a meeting with patient and using the chat and video call to have the communication effectively with patients. And they the special one is they can use our AI feature that we provided to help them to diagnose disease. And what doctor can do? They can manage blog lives, they can create blogs and editing it to provide for our application more information. And they also can manage bot requests, like they sometimes the bot is not aligned with our policy, so they deny them. And they can chat online to spot up user concern and give them for more information or how to use our application effectively way. And they also can manage doctor schedule and fill appointments. Let's continue with machine learning expert who can manage model, select model, and test it to they test and choose the most suitable model, apply the most suitable model to our application to help doctor for examination. And last but not least, the admin actor. Actually, the admin actor have the same picture like doctor can do, but the different one they can manage the statistic view, like how much money we have in this month for business purpose. And important one is managed Mason account and managed employee accounts. Like audience mean in our application can create account for spotter, doctor, maintenance expert, and admins too. Let's move on to entity relationship diagram. In entity relationship diagram, we show that the relationship between entities, like you can see here inside that it runs a zero or many users, or the user has one and only one runs. The same with the other entities. Let's move on to database design diagram. In our system, we use two database types like SQL Server and Mongo. And in database design diagram, we list the on properties of every table on our diagram system. Like you can see here, for the user table, we have user ID, username, password, and the foreign key run ID is governed by rows table, like here. And continue with buckets diagram. In buckets, we show how we organize and then our entire system. You can see in the front end we have the user interface buckets and presentation logic. We're using the Next.js framework, and on JS library areas, access the APIs with some service. You can see here between some service we have the interacting with each other, like the booking service request to the payment service and receive the response, and continue to handle our logic. And we also use the external service and third like S3 bucket, machine learning, Gmail service, and database. Continue with the SQL diagram. We have 37 SQL diagram, and it's corresponding to 38 use case. Our use case is set the L1, and you can add to the filter picture for the most use. We have the forum base here, the API, bot controller, REST bot handler, and MongoDB repository and database. First, the basin access the forum base, and in our presentation logic, we call the API, and it's route to and handled by the REST bot handler, and it will execute the query to the database, and we return the query. We have two cases here. If we query successfully and there is the box in there, it will display the box in UI. If the query is not successful and it don't have the box in there, we will display the display not found. The last diagram one is class diagram, and in class diagram that shows that how we plan and handle our backend side. Like we have account controller responsibility for routing, and serve handler, confirm serve handler handle the logic behind that, and we have some repository to manage the database and some entity. You can see the same relationship. When it's in the normal class, it will not have a block style, and when it's in the interface entity, it will have the dot style here. And about this, we have this composition relationship, like in serve handler constructor, it have the user repository parameter, and if our user repository is it, the serve handler What hack is it? Continue with the test session. Our test model is agile static. It's also our software development methodology, and in this we do the develop and the test at the same time. First, we analyze the user story, then estimate, decide, review the test page, and after that we set up test environment and do the test. We have two cases here. When it's on good, we will release that and do the next step. First, if the test has bug, we will debug and then do the development again. And about the testing level, we have three testing level here. The integration testing is testing component groups. System testing is testing integrated system, and about the performance, accessibility, and acceptance testing is the test the final system. About the testing time, we choose the manual testing with black box approach. We focus on the functional testing to ensure that our application satisfies the requirements and are fully featured. And this is the non-functional testing. In the forum page, we test the performance, accessibility, the best practice, and the SDL. And with the test report, we do tail modules here: the authentication, static dashboard, service, payment, forum, blogs, machine learning, search, abandonment management, account management, doctor scheduling chart. We have about 400 test case scenario here, and hopefully it's on good. So we have passed 100%. So that's all for our presentation, and let's watch the demo and try it.
Everybody, welcome to the eClinic application demo. In this video, we will explore the feature and functionality of the eClinic system. Let's start with sign up feature. New user can set up by entering the essential details, including full name, email address, username, password, confirm password, date of birth, gender. After registration, a verification email is sent to provided email address. Sign in. So, for those who prefer traditional login method, user can easily access their account by entering the username and password. Another option, user can securely log in using their Google account with just one single link. Forgot password. In case user forgets their password, our forgot password features allow them to reset the password seamlessly. A verification email is sent to provided email address. Change password. Users support account can easily update their passwords by following this simple step. Enter the current password, choose new password, and confirm the new password. User profiles. By going to the profile section, user can view their personal information. Besides, they can also view or add profile of their family member. Next, let's explore the forum features. Here, users have the power to engage in meaningful discussions. They can express their appreciation by liking posts and actively participating by leaving comments or relying to other user comments. Rating posts. Our platform lets users report the following list. By providing title, description, and upload an image, user can wrap engaging posts. Supporter review. To ensure a positive community experience, the forum will go through a quick review by our dedicated supporter before being published. Dr. Q8. Dr. can access user posts, offering their valuable insight and answer to health-related questions. Admin authority. The admin holds the power to oversee the platform content. They can view all posts, and if necessary, the admin can remove the content that doesn't meet our standard. User post history. Users also have control. They can review the history of their posts, and if needed, users can delete their old posts. About new blog features, users can view blog posts to improve health knowledge. Manage blog by supporter. Supporter can view list of blog, create new blog by entering the following information and will space edit, publish or unpublish the blog post. Manage blog by admin. Admin has the same features as supporter, but admin will not create blog posts. Chat with supporter. User can get free support from our system by simply filling out the form below. User can quickly connect with our dedicated support staff and get the answer they are looking for, whether they have a question about our service or anything else. Our chat space support is ready to assist them. Here is the chat conversation between user and supporter. Service packet booking. To book a service packet, users only need to select the service packet they want. Then, select the day and profile of the person being examined. Next is to choose the payment method by Momo or VNPay, and finally proceed with the payment to complete the booking process. Doctor booking. The users only need to select the desired doctor, then select the available day and slot of doctor, followed by choosing the online or offline form of examination and the profile of person to be examined. The select payment method by Momo or VNPay, and finally proceed with the payment to complete the booking process. Supporter and admin manage appointment. Supporter always and admin have the same feature to view and manage list of all doctor appointments and services available on the system. Doctor overview. Doctor can easily view their work schedule through the institute overview or appointment view. User appointment schedule. User can track on their appointment, and if they have a doctor online appointment, they can seamlessly connect with doctor via chat just like with our supported team. Video call, and plus additional features like video call for more comprehensive consultation. Schedule management. Supporter can manage doctor's schedule by selecting a doctor profile and then updating that doctor's schedule. Machine learning model management. Machine learning expert can manage machine learning, deep learning, and their association model. Expert can also double check the model available on the system and view history of diagnostic made. Diagnosis. Doctor can use this AI diagnostic feature with expert-enabled model to add in patient diagnostic. Overview dashboard. Our admin user get a comprehensive view of system functionality through the overview dashboard. This dashboard provides a good idea of key insights that help make informed decisions of breeze. Specialization management. Admin use specialization management with ease. It's creating, edit, and view specialization list. Our system provides an intuitive interface to streamline this stuff. Service and service packet management. With our system, managed service and service packet become a seamless process for admin. They have the right to view, create, edit, or even delete service and service packet, and so complete control over the service. Patient account management. About patient account management, admin have the ability to view this account, enable or disable specific user account and need. Employee account management. Our employee account management empowers admin with more features. Employee account include 3 distinct forms: doctor, supporter, and experts. Here, I only focus on demonstrating how to manage the role of doctor, supporter, and expert role head the same way. So, admin can do 40. That's it your list of ordinary account. Add new, edit, enable or disable account. After creating, employee can log into the system using the account sent to the email provided. Payment. Admin get access to a comprehensive payment and refund list. Its user-friendly interface presents a clear overview of all payment, refund, ensuring transparency and tracking. And that's all. Thanks for your watching. Hello everybody, welcome.
For your presentation. Now we have some questions for your team.
Now I have some question for Steve. First I want to ask with do you have about research for provision of Vietnamese laws related to medical or treatment or simple law on medical examination and treatment? Your team to research about document about it.
We share about the experience by asking the friends and shop on Google about the information.
Yeah, I know you research about some same project or information about requirement for this project. But I want to know your team. Are you research about the laws, Vietnamese laws?
Can we have a change the point?
Hôm nay em hướng dẫn có đấy gửi còn nếu không cái này là của bên
from some other existing system and some features of it and by the experiment in the real life. So we create the application.
Your team research by experiment and some information from internet, not in on this information, I have another question, which I decided to mention the information about Dr. Module Medic Doctor and Clinic. Now I have a question. Do you have to manage about information about certificates, degree or requirement about doctor and license about units?
Can you say the final master question? I can see. I can.
Năm của tương lai số 9.
Sao vậy bạn? Nó nghe tiếng Anh tầm
do you have to manage information about for example degree of degree or certificate and another information license of clinic?
Actually, we just do it manually, like we don't manage it, and just we will input the entity of the doctor, the degree of them, just admin will input it manually, and doctor also can edit it. So
Now I want to system show information about
yeah.
bảo cho nên
Before
chữ
it
thiếu đẹp
of close. The enemy law require any doctor have information when to practice or working.
Yeah, actually, our application will use the training data and just like we have the existing system and we
I want to show about design. Database design have information stored.
database side or just using system.
Database design class last store information doctor.
When
mà anh phải bay lên không?
Line 55.
Tao quay ghiêng. Nên để laptop quay.
like I said before, this just manually would from us mean that we have and then title, doctor, the content and description, like the experience of this doctor, like work style, work end, and yeah, it's where the description here like what the doctor worked before and how them read into the our system and work there.
Not enough.
And what is the misinformation?
The TPK still license, not a lot.
Yeah.
It's very important.
Yeah, we don't research about it also. Just
If you don't have the license, you can work at home.
yeah, yeah. We will do this in the future. Yeah, the license and certificate.
Another question about the design. I asked Mr. Mr. Sang, which way I can to doctor or exactly with my disease.
Very easy. I will show the user the kind of
trong lại bài cái đó là bút này lưu hết nhớ chứ không nói là gì cũng hiểu cái câu hỏi làm sao để mà chứng minh cái bác sĩ đó uy tín kiểu vậy thôi mà mình thiếu thông tin cái đó vậy thôi thì bác sĩ đưa hoặc là phải có đủ thông tin sau đó để chứng minh. Ý nó là phải có giấy tờ đàng hoàng đó.
Yes. That is the user interface to the doctor, ask the doctor. If you have any if you have the traditional medicine, we can choose filter and choose this. Yeah. And
Phạm Plan có đủ Plan
Now to pay
hỏi gì em diễn đi
like 5 or and after to pay 5 like 5.
What's the number?
5. This is for objective or project.
Yeah.
For objective.
Can we have the discussion in US review?
This is the room you want to show.
Yeah, this is exactly the objective that our application come to.
Now go to 28.
28. This one or
Yeah. I see you have 11.
yeah,
11 teacher and 31 priority the main, and after that the descending priority is requirement. What is the very important requirement for this project?
Yeah.
Your system, if you your system.
If we don't have our chat and video call feature and just and need to use the term service. If that I will use the team, Microsoft team to support us for the communication feature.
Do I now I want to add the can be able to line and in this can. About design. A row show the direction flow information. Is it right? Okay. Now some port row, port line. For example, port lead, port information. Why it have the direction into the actor. If support doctor or patient want support information,
This supporter manage they are responsible for moderating progression. This manage for example, so example patient was about
If diagram show about information, I got information. For example, patient, doctor or support bot information if the diagram show it. Why isn't it two-way or bi-direction? You see this? Yeah.
This can accept port to display information.
It just show information about I receive information, and the way I got information I don't show it. I don't see that this diagram. For example, it's what the bot information. What line show it?
This box set on the box code.
Actually, we don't. You can see the real box information here. The patient and the supporter will also have the boss information, like the patient will relay the boss, and with the supporter they can edit them. So we just write the support information for general and don't.
And reporter, if we rely the patient with way if rely it no
Like the actually I don't correct the question. Can you explain this more deeply?
For example, when you give information you like, you use this flow above, and now you port information. You receive you use and and you bought information which line you give? Which line you give?
Like we
Can
just
you indicate that? What line you bought information?
most information are real.
You really bought information input information to utility.
We just write this most information in general and don't separate them.
Utility involved after revision. Every actor have two loads. One load to retrieve information from system and one load to retrieve report information into the system. Information to transfer to another actor.
The Bayesian can port information. Yeah, the Bayesian can port information. So can support the port information line the Bayesian.
No, they just
accept for can for example accept bot that information can do. Accept for on information can do.
Go to line 43, 43, 44, 45, 43. Up, yeah. 43, 48. Now, do you know about system boundary? System boundary. See the line bound the diagram here. Em có biết cái gọi cái khái niệm là cái system boundary là cái đường giới hạn trong sơ đồ không? Nghĩa là sơ đồ này em vẽ nó chưa chính xác và không chính xác ở đó là cái khái niệm là system boundary. Em có nắm được đó không? Thì chỉ em thấy luôn nha, là cái chỗ sơ đồ này của em nó sai kiểu là khi người ta vẽ cái đường biên về system boundary đây đang có vẽ đó, thì cái đó không phải là em muốn vẽ để bao đóng cái sơ đồ đó mà đúng rồi.
Dạ không, cái này là cái model của
Đúng rồi. Thì cái đó cũng là người ta gọi là một cái system boundary đưa vào cái sơ đồ để vẽ hướng dẫn. Thì cái đó nó sẽ nói chung là nó sẽ giới hạn về những chức năng có trong hệ thống của em và toàn bộ những actor nó phải nằm ngoài cái đường biên đó.
Dạ, cái này là lúc em đưa lên slide thì đóng lại cho nó đẹp hơn chứ.
Em đẹp nhưng mà khi em vẽ thành cái sơ đồ có chú thích thì đó nó trùng với cái system boundary vậy thì sai gì đó.
Không phải con đóng cái gì đó.
Tại em cứ nghĩ đưa
Em có thể đóng các cái khác được, cái này là chụp từ cái giao diện được, nhưng mà riêng sơ đồ chính xác.
Tại vì mình sẽ nhìn vào đó nhưng mà người ta sẽ chuyển đổi rồi người ta có Còn không vấn đề cái đó thì chị chỉ nói rằng, nhưng mà cái này nè, còn câu hỏi nè là cái actor, các cái actor mà ở đây muốn dùng cái locking đó thì buộc em phải sử dụng qua các cái chức năng khác thì em mới gọi về locking đúng không?
Dạ phải lắp lên mới dùng từ những chức năng.
Tại sao thông thường thấy vô người ta gọi thẳng locking chứ đâu nhất thiết phải gọi chức năng kia nó bên nước kìa?
Dạ ý
là muốn dùng chức năng này thì bắt buộc trước đó mình phải
Thì đúng rồi, nó không nói vấn đề đó. Nhưng mà ý là tại sao từ Docker hoặc là các actor nó không có đường thẳng về login, có nghĩa là không gọi được trực tiếp login đúng không?
Trên cái trang của em có chỗ nào để nhấn vô cho login liền hay sao? Có không? Đó thì phải có đường dẫn trực tiếp.
Rồi.
Okay, I have two questions for you. The first question, in your chat conversion feature, chat conversion, are you use the SignOR library WebSocket developed by Microsoft? What kind of data file can you send in the chat channel?
I send using right. If you use right, you can send cat message.
No, I need your chat. Chat. You send
I
alright.
can send spec and file in email.
File email. Not PDF, not
Email, not file.
Okay, I think you should improve your system in this case because sometimes doctor and patient can communicate by send PDF based on doctor, based on document in PDF or doc. Okay, and one question. In your side, in your file size limits, do you have the file size limit? The file size limit of image.
Currently, our system cannot validate the file. We just load the image and check it to the server. So we don't, if the error file is can be upload. Yeah. This is my mistakes. Our system.
Okay, I think you should improve it. It's just a response for the file size limits, and you can define how much file size limits you can upload.
Yeah.
Okay, one more question about deep learning. I want to ask you how you, where you collect the data for the multi box. You collect the data.
I get from Catalog.
Okay, go data set. Okay, and how you how the data are distribution in your data set.
It's a different number of images.
Yes.
Are you will talk about
Đúng rồi.
this is the image. Our we get the
Bạn phải biến cảnh.
I think this is balance. So
Chung lại
it's
đọc
not
nha.
affect to your model. Okay, and
Cảnh báo nha.
one question, the last question.
Cảnh báo gì
Your model either easy segmentation or easy classification. Classification. Okay. Can you open the pieces at the 483 document?
about this phone and setup and it is UI.
Can you search for a segmentation?
Really
Uh,
patch, really patch,
Session is really practice and user guide. Yes, this one. This is segmentation of Merge keyboard.
It's not the last file, is it?
Okay, having this just a small thing I have to show the collectors. Okay.
Yeah, this is one. Ours one.
Okay, now I have some questions for your team. You have done the system. So, first there are a lot of mistakes, and now I want to ask you some questions. Mr. Cảnh, what model does your team use? A guide or waterfall?
Agile model.
A guide, and he is Scrum Master.
Mr. René Scrum Master for
I understand that's in your structure of the team. The document you don't worry about. Just the project management. It's like the waterfall. Yeah. And next question, you can spend on the database table on the page 474 for the user.
this one.
Yeah. 4.1.1.
You want to?
Yeah, you can zoom in. Okay. I want to know about username. Is it unique or not?
The username is unique. It's just the yes, unique and it's the like user when user register they enter the username and the password and the username we not need to not exist in our application and it's unique.
No, I see there user ID.
Yeah,
How is unit?
it's just
Our tick on the unit or the user ID.
yeah,
And the
absolutely.
username, you know, and a
Absolutely.
lot,
Yeah,
and a lot of our mistakes.
yeah.
And scroll down. Go to the profile. How about the email and phone? Is unique?
Actually, they're not unique and then
Two profile can use the same detail on something.
actually
I create next for it, and it's one email in the database.
One email,
Unique
next
one.
person. Yeah, X account. So you must click on this first. And then roll down to the author.
Rồi down to
Yeah. Where author. I see the empty table because they don't have the binary key or foreign key.
this is a MongoDB database.
Yeah.
Nó sẽ
foreign key.
First, there are lots of big text. You see the time is string. Yeah, the string. Okay, draw up. Construct. Yeah, draw up. It's an end by chance or a relationship.
in the chair.
How about two type string on your database? End by chance or relationship name and here even ID string. Can you explain about the different ones? So on the table are end by chance. Time as well. First here is string.
Actually, with some table you with SQL Server, we tried it on Pachar and Pachar, but with MongoDB we will use string type.
So you work notes on your documents about the table.
Maybe
For example, the ball is used MongoDB and the relationship is used as well.
yeah.
Okay. And I don't know about the column note, the last column.
Yeah.
What is used for? Because on the table is empty.
Oh, yeah. It's just the template we take from and we don't think to didn't think out what we can rewrite into the notes. So we just leave it empty.
Okay. When you do the real project, this is what you do. For example, it is the relative part or absolute part. How about the length of the part?
Yeah.
The constraint, for example, the gender, is male, female, and all. What number for this 1, 2, 3? Which is male? Which is male? 0 or 1? Which is female? 0 or 1? You want not or not? Okay. And now turn into the demo. You open on the page 781. The document. The click on register service. Three dot three. The 19. Three dot three 19.
G19.
No. 2.3, okay, just make sure. Narrow down. Narrow down. No, it's very different. Different with the PDF.
Can you give me a second to
Okay.
download the
The title is click on register service. You can search for it with the keyword.
When we needed to
Yeah.
what is the picture that you mentioned?
ngồi linh tinh cho nó tới đó rồi mấy bạn tôi cũng có lại
Can you mention any picture that you want to?
Click on register service on the figure 791. 791. The figure you cannot booking service packet.
791.
Yeah, I'm the
Yeah.
Okay. This the 1,700.
Yeah.
Okay. And I want to know about the currency unit. You use the Vietnamese or dollar?
We have in there the bit number.
Okay, and scroll down. Scroll down to mobile. Okay. Yeah. Zoom in.
Oh, yeah.
So very different the value.
Yeah. We have the
This is very different text.
dollar here. Yeah.
Okay, the last different text point of team is the number of pages of the document. You do a lot of things and a big system and a lot of diagrams, but everything has the rules. The rule of the document is maximum about 200 pages. Do the appendix. So here you about more than 800 pages for the document. Okay, this is you must read that on the working future. Okay. And I have some feedback on Vietnamese for you about your work. Rồi, ở đây thì nó có rất nhiều cái lỗi mà mấy đứa cần phải sửa. Thứ nhất là cái hình system architecture, nhìn chung thì mấy đứa làm nhiều, chỉnh chu về cái phần format thì cũng có, nhưng mà làm nhiều thì cũng có sai nhiều, phối màu chưa ổn, màu đen không có đi chung với màu đỏ được. Cái chỗ mà system architecture, cái hình mà show từ đầu đến mình show á, cái nền màu đỏ thì cái chỉnh cũng đi chung với màu đen mình không thấy gì trên. Rồi, show cái hình đen là đúng rồi đó. Rồi không vào rồi, không vào rồi. Những màu đen để màu xanh dương nhạt, còn với màu đỏ thì vô phương. Được chưa? Rồi, chỉnh chu nhưng tới bây giờ thì cái màu cũng chưa ổn ha. Rồi, tiếp theo. Rất nhiều nội dung mà chuyên đề ở cuối trang. Nội dung đó vào trang tiếp theo. Cái này phải chỉnh. Tiêu đề sẽ nhảy sang trang tiếp theo luôn, chứ không có để tiêu đề bên nội dung một bên. Rồi, ví dụ như ở mục 4.2.8 là số trang của em đó, ở trang 211 lại trang luôn. Rồi, mở lên trang 211. Ở đây cái nhấp lên là tiêu đề ở trang này nội dung nhảy qua trang khác.
Cái đó kiểu có này rồi nó nhiều quá, nếu mà mấy em cầm cái đó thì nó sẽ ra nhiều trang hơn, mà thấy quá nhiều.
Cái quan trọng là chỉnh chu, chất mà em làm nhiều như là cái nào em cái đó, còn cái em làm nhiều phút trụ nổ lên lại cũng vậy thôi. Cứ ví dụ như nói rằng nó lọc ít, như cái nào ra cái đó nó phải khác. Thôi cái ông này thì làm rất là siêng nhưng cuối cùng cũng làm lỗ thông, thì nó sẽ trở thành cái thương hiệu của mình. Tức là đúng cái thằng đó là đúng, cái đó là đúng, mặc dù nó siêng nó thì không ổn, cái đó là con đường mình phải sửa. Rồi, ok. Rồi bây giờ cái reference là cái vấn đề nghiêm trọng. Số lượng bài báo của em mà nãy Quỳnh trình bày em cũng 8 bài, đúng không? 2 trang. Reference của em chỉ để có 4 cái. Nó có
đọc hay là
nó có cuối trang cuối cùng.
sao
Rồi mở trang cuối. Đó reference. Rồi được cho tôi có 4 cái. Thế còn 4 cái kia đâu? Đôi khi còn cái system nữa, 3 system nữa. Rồi tiếp theo còn về cái test model. Mấy đứa xài test model dạng nào? Sai rồi. Rồi, thế thì cái về đâu? Lý thuyết có mấy đứa tự nghĩ ra hay là tham khảo gì đâu? Cái đó là phải mấy đứa nghĩ ra. Mấy đứa phải tham khảo từ sách, từ nguồn internet hay là từ giáo trình nào đó để vô chứ. Cái đó người ta mà, chứ đâu phải mình. Đó. Rồi, ok. Về cái video thì quay kịch bản không tốt. Tuy nhiên, không ổn ở chỗ là giọng điều ru ngủ người khác, rất là không ổn. Cảm giác một hồi là rất buồn ngủ luôn. Rồi nên phải có điểm nhấn, chứ không thể điều làm vậy thì người ta sao không ngồi nghe hết cái phần bài của mấy đứa. Rồi ok, nhìn chung thì cái phần báo cáo của mấy đứa thì cũng khá là ổn, khối lượng công việc ha, nhưng mà cái spec thì cũng khá nhiều. Đấy, rồi cái là chỉnh chu về cái format thì chỉnh chu cũng được. Đó là về cái phần các chuyên đề giảng căn điều 2 viên, tức là cũng chịu khó làm, nhưng mà những lỗi lặt vặt thì chắc chắn cũng phải chỉnh sửa lại. Rồi ok, rồi